Hey friends, if you encounter AMD Installer Error 195 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So the solution as mentioned on the AMD website is to install the latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and use it. So simply search for AMD Auto Detect on Bing or Google, and then you can go to its website. Okay, then scroll down and click on this option for AMD drivers and support. Click on download Windows drivers. Click on save as. Save them, don't just install them directly. Now once it is saved at the location, double click on it, and now you will have to click on the prompt to install it on your system. It will start checking for your PC hardware and driver compatibility and update them if possible. So this is the right way to update it on an AMD based computer if you're using one, and if you're using an Intel computer then you shouldn't be getting this error anyway. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.